So lack of prayer is a culture you are developed. It's not because it's part of what is defined. You develop it. The easiest way to pray is to make prayer your lifestyle. Doesn't Muslim pray? An average Muslim pray 5 times in a day. Are they praying in tongues? But they are consistent. They have made prayer their lifestyle, and prayer became easy. They are praying in the house or whatsoever. Do you know that you can decide to be praying and make prayer your lifestyle, and you don't even know that you are praying? Do you know when you are bathing, you can be praying? When you are in the farm, you can be praying. When you are in the market, you can be praying. When you are cooking, you can be praying. Do you know that? Nobody say you must come inside this church before you pray. Anywhere you are, you can be praying. Prayer becomes anything if your heart is aligned to God. But oftentimes the discipline for us to pray is not there. And that is the reason why we are weak. If you can pray and make prayer your lifestyle, God himself will encounter you. Because he will look upon your heart. See, he is the father of all flesh, the father of all spirit. He knows you. So out of the desperation of your desire to know him, he will reveal himself to you. Many people will tell you that Paul was not praying and God appeared to him as Saul. No. His willingness, his innocency, walking towards attacking the believers was prayer. Because he had a passion, he had a desire. You are just lukewarm. Him is passionate towards something. So when you see God appear to a Boko Haramist, God knows that according to the heart posture of the Boko Haramist, that's the best way to worship God. So you just realize that these Boko Haramists want to serve him, but just that he was not taught right how to serve. So he will appear to him because he's innocent. But you that is aware, or you that refuse to find a passion and do, you are just lukewarm. God will speed you out. That's why I said, if you are not serving God, please go and be more wayward. Peradventure, God will see the need to appear to you. If you want to serve God, serve him. You want to serve the devil, serve him very well. All rubbish. Now small children are doing Yahoo. A small boy of 16 years came to a car stand. He said he want to buy a car of 48 million. 16-year-old boy. He came. Said I want to buy a car 48 million. The car dealer man look at him. Say, did you steal the money? He said no, I didn't steal it. The man called police. When police came, they catch the boy. Say, sit down here. Where is your father? Where is your mother? Where did he get the money? He said, I didn't steal the money. Do you have any case against me? It's my money. They said, okay, tell us, so how did you get the money? The boy said, the person that gave me this money told me that I have 2 years to enjoy the money. After 2 years I will die. He said, I do not do Yahoo, I did ritual. He said, are you willing to do ritual too? He opened his leg. He doesn't have toe. He has sold his toe. He said, I did not steal any money. It is my money. I did ritual. And I have only 2 years to live. So I will buy anything I want to buy. After 2 years I will die. You will remain on the earth. Will you stop me now? Is there any law against ritual in Nigeria? You are permitted to practice witchcraft and practice anything in this country. And you are here, you are not practicing prayer. You are in trouble. Because in the day that guy does not have what it will use, he will take somebody and use. Small boys now. Yahoo. Yahoo. And you know a funny part? It's roba they are driving. Somebody will just do one small Yahoo and look for one small roba and say it's a big boy. If you want to sell your soul to the devil, why not sell it all? Why do you sell quarter? If you want to serve the devil, serve him well. If I don't know God, I will start by killing everybody in the family. I will use everything for ritual, everything. If you are my friend, you are going to. Because at the tail end, you will still go to hell. So why are you preserving anybody? Gain the whole world. The Bible says, what shall it profit a man if he gain the whole world and lose his soul? Why would I gain small of the world? I will gain everything. I will look for pastor that may be spiritual. I will use them also for ritual, so that I can gain the whole world. If I have my way, I will use everybody and I will remain alone in the world. The Bible says gain the whole world and lose your soul, not gain quarter. If you truly want to serve the devil, serve him well. If I have my way, if I was in any ritual, I will kill the grandmaster and become the grandmaster myself. Because having an organ in the kingdom of darkness is a problem. Because you see, Babalawo used to kill themselves. But if you are in this kingdom, please, you must be serious. Give your heart to God. Be dedicated, be committed. When we say pray, pray until you become prayer. When you follow the pathway of the old, find out what did they do. Forget before all this suit and all of this. You see, the older generation of fathers have lied to us. What they are telling us that is the secret to ministry is not a secret. Many of them spend time in bush and mountains and caves. Just like many of you that are hearing me now, we think that if God called you the next day to go and buy a suit, you have been scammed. You better look for a mountain around me now and go and kill yourself there. Because the first level in keeping to this training sometimes may not even be to look for a Bible school, is to find a secret place. Look for a place that is too secret, a cave where you can stay for days crying to God. Because it's encounters that unveil the destiny of man, not doctrine that fill their head. When you are done hearing doctrine, you will still be hungry and desiring an encounter. One encounter from God explains a year of doctrine. And there are men that have never been to any school of Bible, but I'm telling you, their encounters have explained their definition in God, and today they are making impact. There are people that can never understand English, but yet again they are making impact. How? These things are not doctrine. I remember our father, Papa Isaiah of Redeem. They said that man cannot even speak English. How can a man hear Redeemed Christian Church of God and he cannot speak English? It was the same man that they said they went to Oklahoma, where that they were praying and the whole hotel room was shaking. Those things were not product of doctrine, they were product of a realm of power.